What's your number one tip when it comes to gardening?
Research. Lots of people want to just jump in there, plant some seeds, and get started, but do some research first. Jump on the internet, do some searching. What zone am I in? When should I start my seeds? Jump on YouTube and watch some videos before you get started.
Make sure to water. I had a problem of not watering because I'm Southern California, so it gets really warm, and I didn't really container garden often, so I just kind of skipped the watering. Water and fertilize.
Liquid fertilizer or
I do both. So when I plant, I'll do the granular fertilizer and compost, and then throughout the season, I'll start doing the liquid fertilizer as well.
Just do it. You're going to make mistakes and accept that because every failure is an opportunity for future success.
I'd say just get out there and try something, have fun with it. Honestly, throw some seeds in there, water it, and see what happens. Just try things out.
So I gotta give more than one. Can I give two?
yeah,
Can I
of
give two?
course.
Consistent watering, and nothing's perfect. Go with the flow, right? Just go with the flow.
So my number one tip would be to definitely just try. Like, don't worry about all the things that you can worry about that you probably one day will worry about, but it's just start, just begin. Get some soil, get some seeds, put your hands in it, and just watch things grow because it's gonna change your life.
My number one tip when it comes to gardening is not to expect yourself to be perfect at first. That gardening, just like anything else, takes some learning, but it's fun. So be okay with just experimenting. Get some education from people so you'll have a direction of where you need to go. But be okay if weather interferes or just things don't go exactly as expected, and then adjust and learn more and more each year.
Grow what you eat. So a lot of times, like when I first started, I was just trying like everything, which is good to try new things, but you'll get more out of your GreenStalks and everything when you're growing what you actually eat.
My number one tip when it comes to gardening, I would say to just start. Just start. Gardening is a process not only for the plant but for you. And then after that, it would be to start growing in a GreenStalk because it removes so many of the fears, I think, around gardening. One thing that I like to share is that with the GreenStalk vertical planter, you don't have the pressure of the pest pressure is usually the issue, watering is usually an issue, or being able to access your garden. And GreenStalk solves so many of these kind of beginner gardening problems. So just start with the GreenStalk.